Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
6 militants have been killed in the last 5 days in Kashmir Valley in different encounters. 5 of them have been killed in North Kashmir. Now this includes top Lashkar commander Sajjad Haider. Now police say that there was basically a network of Lashkar militants in North Kashmir which has been eliminated in 2 different encounters by the security forces. Sajjad Haider was killed with 2 other militants, and Nasruddin, another militant of Lashkar-e-Toiba, was also eliminated. Now police say that they were involved in carrying out many militant attacks, particularly on CRPF, in which many CRPF men were killed in those attacks. A large quantity of arms and ammunition have also been recovered from the militants, including one rifle which was snatched from a CRPF Jawan. Now the details about these operations were shared by the DG Police of Jammu and Kashmir, Dilbag Singh. This is what he had to say.
3 रोज पहले जो करीरी बारामूला में ऑपरेशन हुआ था, जिसमें 3 दहशतगर्द मारे गए थे, उसमें नॉर्थ कश्मीर का लश्कर-ए-तौबा का सबसे बड़ा जो कमांडर लश्कर-ए-तौबा का सजाद हैदर मारा गया था, जिसके साथ उसका पाकिस्तानी साथी उस्मान मारा था और लोकल साथी अनायतुल्लाह उसमें मारा गया था। और आपको याद होगा जहां अप्रैल में मई में इस तरह के अटैक हुए, वनगाम, हंदवारा में, सोपुर में सीआरपी के ऊपर 2 हमले हुए, जहां दोनों जगह पे सीआरपी के 3 जवान मारे गए। उसके बाद फिर एक हमला हुआ, उसमें सीआरपी का 1 जवान मारा गया। उसके अलावा एक अटैक में हमारा एसपीओ शहीद हुआ और उसके साथ एक सिविलियन की भी डेथ हुई। और फिर सोपुर के बाज़ार के अंदर जो अटैक किया ग्रेनेड से, उसमें 20 के करीब सिविलियन जख्मी हुए। और मुझे अभी बताया गया कि उससे पहले नासिर ने एक आर्मी के एक जवान की भी हत्या की थी इसी एरिया में। मुझे अभी कमांडेंट साहब, ब्रिगेडियर साहब ने बताया जब वो नया एक्टिव हुआ था।
Clearly, in the last few months, there have been many anti-militancy operations, particularly in the South Kashmir area. But towards the North Kashmir, militants seem to have been consolidating, carrying out many attacks on security forces, causing casualties of the security forces as well. Now the security forces seem to be focusing on North Kashmir, the elimination of Lashkar militants in North Kashmir is an example of that. And also the challenge for the security forces clearly is the infiltration levels which are continuously going on in North Kashmir. Blocking infiltration is one challenge, and dealing with militancy in the hinterland is the other challenge that the security forces have to deal with. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.